It's not just about putting out content, but it's all about consistency. However, consistency can be hacked. Consistency is not just about waking up in the morning or waking up every morning and doing the same thing. There's a way consistency can be hacked when it comes to content creation, and I'm going to show you the 6 hacks in creating content consistently. Hi, my name is King Charles and I'm passionate about businesses. I love to see people and businesses grow, and that's what I do in this channel. I create videos of branding, marketing, business, and your life. My goal is to break down complex concepts and give you actionable steps that can help you and your business grow. So in this video, I'll be talking about content creation. As we all know, there are different forms of content creations. We have the videos, podcasts, images, and articles, but the most popular is the video, because you can find videos everywhere on Facebook, Instagram. Right now you're watching this video on YouTube. This is a video content, so you are most likely a content creator, whether you're on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other social media platform, because you post something. If you're posting what you did that day or sharing someone's post, you're posting out content. But the question is, are you using it to build your brand or to build relationship with people, or even attract more customers? Because when you put out content, you're building relationship with people. If they are watching you, if they are consuming the content that you put online, they are getting to know more about you. They are building a better relationship with you. So the more you show your audience about you, the more they know you, the more they trust you, and the more they are able or likely to do business with you. So you see, that's why you need to put out content every day, because you get to build relationship with your prospects and even your customers. So it's not just about putting out content, but it's all about consistency. However, consistency can be hacked. Consistency is not just about waking up in the morning or waking up every morning and doing the same thing. There's a way consistency can be hacked when it comes to content creation, and I'm going to show you the 6 hacks in creating content consistently. Number 1, always put your ideas in a written form. Jot your ideas down. See, content is just like energy. There are sometimes you have this rush or burst of energy. Same with ideas. There are some days that you feel so inspired and motivated, and ideas just be coming in from different angles, from everywhere. What you want to do at that point is to jot your ideas down. It doesn't matter where you are, whether you're in the toilet, whether you're in the kitchen, whether you're doing chores at work, whatever you're doing, just get a notepad, a pen or something, or get your phone and jot down your ideas. Because you might want to say, I'm smart, I'm very intelligent. When I need the idea, maybe tomorrow, next month, the idea is going to come. But the truth is, the idea might not even come when you need it. You'll be trying so hard to remember it and you will not remember it. So whenever an idea comes to you, jot it down, look for a notepad, look for a pen, get your phone, jot it down whenever I get the ideas. And that's a way to get free flow of ideas, because if you keep shutting out ideas, you won't even get good ideas. Sometimes when I hear people say, okay, I don't get ideas, the fact is, anytime an idea comes to you, you feel it doesn't make sense or it's stupid. So that's why you feel you don't have ideas. So no matter how stupid or lame your idea looks, just jot it down at that moment. Number 2, leverage on trends and data. Whenever you run out of content, ask yourself, what are the things that can be relevant to people at this time? What are the things that can be relevant to my community at this time, at this particular season? What are the things that are most relevant to the people that are my target audience, to the people that engage with my content? What are the things that are most relevant at this time, at this season? Just check your data, check your analytics, which of your posts gives you that maximum engagement. Then you can also replicate it and create a content around that same content. All you have to do is to change a few things here and there, maybe tweak the topic, tweak the caption, and just do something around it. Because that post have gotten a whole good lot of engagement, it can also perform well. Because that post have performed well before, it can also perform well. All you need to do is just to change a few things here and there, maybe topic, maybe change the caption or something. Because it has done well from your analytics, there is high possibility that it's also going to do well. So just leverage on the data that you have, leverage on the trends, on what problems you can solve, what problems are your audience going through. You need to find that out. Check the data and trends. Number 3, content repurposing. Whenever you put out the content, always ask yourself, is there any way I can use this content again? You can create a video and turn it to a carousel, or turn a blog post to a carousel, or maybe you can turn an ebook into a series of posts on Facebook or Instagram. Or you can also turn a video, or like this video, you can turn it into a podcast. There are different ways you can repurpose content. You can also turn an audio into an ebook. You can turn a Twitter thread to a carousel on Instagram. So there are different ways you can repurpose your content. Now, in content repurposing, you want to make sure that your content is evergreen. When it comes to content, there are 2 types of content. We have the evergreen content and the tropical content. The tropical content has to do with trends, particular trend at that moment or at that particular time. Maybe something like Dirty December, even Corona is still actually a trend, or something like the Don't Leave Me challenge. So that's actually a trend. After that particular time, that content related to that particular trend dies off. So you should not put out much of tropical content, put much of evergreen content. Evergreen content are content that are knowledgeable and valuable. Regardless of the time and season, it will always be useful. It will always pass value. So you should put out more of evergreen content. For example, an evergreen content can be a workout video. 5 years from now, a workout video will still be relevant. It has nothing to do with time and season. So you should put out more of evergreen content because they are very easy to repurpose. You can go back maybe 3 months back or 2 months back, pick out the content, maybe get a video that you've done and turn it into a blog post, or you can turn the video into a podcast, or you can turn the video to an article or a blog post. So there are many ways you can repurpose your content and make it useful. Number 4, keep a swap file. A swap file is a file, folder, catalog, or list of content that inspire you. So the most important tip in creating content is consuming content. So the thing is, you have to learn from other people's posts, consume their content, go through their blog posts. You have to read a whole lot, check their videos, and the more you read, the more you consume other people's content, the more you get content ideas, the more you get ideas to creating content. So it's a learn, consume, then you get content ideas. So when you're surfing through the internet or going through people's posts or whatever you're doing online, if you see or if you find any file or anything that inspires you, you just have to save it. Make sure that you save it. That's how you build your swap file. So on the days when you're not able to come up with content ideas, the swap file will help you come up with content ideas. So keeping a swap file is very, very good. A swap file could be very helpful even 5 years from now. So keep swap file. Number 5, create content in bulk. You see, consistency, like I said earlier on, is not about creating content every morning. It can be bypassed. There is a way consistency can be had. So instead of creating content every morning, you can just decide that, okay, today I'm going to create 5 carousels or 5 videos or 5 blog posts. That way you can plan and schedule your posts for the next 5 days. You can also plan it for the next 1 week or 1 month or even 2 months. That way people will be like, this guy, you're so consistent or something like that. But they won't know that you've already planned and scheduled everything. It's already been planned. So that is one way consistency can be hacked, by creating content in bulk. Number 6, brainstorm with a group of people. You see, you have to learn how to leverage on other people's skills. Look for a group of people, look maybe your friends or colleagues from work, just form a group and then brainstorm together. That's a good way of generating ideas or coming up with new ideas. All you have to do is make the environment receptive for generating ideas. All you have to do is make the environment receptive. Don't reject ideas. Allow the free flow of ideas, regardless of how the idea may sound. Even if it sounds lame, stupid, or whatever, just make the environment receptive. Think and deliberate on all ideas. Expand all ideas. That way you can get value from every idea that you get. Also, make sure you jot down your ideas. Get a notepad and a pen and jot down your ideas. That way your ideas can stay, and that way you can expand on the ideas then or later. So with all these hacks, you should be able to put out content consistently. Remember, your words should have impact and meaning. They should also be actionable. The goal here is to add value. Do not forget the goal is to add value. Whatever content you're putting out, you should make sure that that content is valuable. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, click the subscribe button below to subscribe. Also, if you have any tips regarding creating content, please put it down in the comment section below. This is not just for me, but for others that are watching this video. Also, if you have any questions, just put it down below and I'll get back to you shortly. Please, if you have not liked this video, like and share this video. Thank you for staying.